complete this look, these are the materials that you need. You need rubber bands, Let's Jam, Eco Styler gel of your choice, water, a water bottle. If you choose to, optional, you could purchase the braid jewels. And lastly, you need a rat tail comb. Let's get started. you guys, so welcome back. I'm done. This hairstyle took me about an hour to do, which is beautiful. And let me show you the items that I use. So I use the pre-stretch hair. This is the Yaki 3x Hollywood braid hair, pre-stretched. It comes in three bundles. I used a bundle and a half for this look. Also for the little design at the front, I used, of course, the little braid jewels, and I spent about $2.50 on that. And of course, the rubber bands, which probably cost me $1.50, probably $2 the most. So in total, this hairstyle took about, it cost about $10, which is beautiful. Or let me show you guys what we're looking like. So I'm really feeling this look, you guys. It really feels like, I really feel like bohemian princessy, if that makes any sense. And I'm like, this is a look that you can wear if you're going out date night and you need to dress up with your black dress on. This is that hairstyle that you can wear. It's not ghetto, but it's classy, sophisticated, but it gives you that edge. And I believe this is it. This is it. To make these little curls, I just added a few little curls. So basically, I just pulled some hair out and I used a roller, a rod roller, and I dipped it in hot water, and that's how we got the little curls. So yes, I don't know. What do you guys think? It doesn't even have to be a look that you wear for dinner. This could be like an everyday look. And I'm really feeling the little jewel designs that I added at the top. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and definitely try this. Definitely try this. I know there's a whole bunch of other looks, but they're all smooth back. They didn't have the little jewel at the top. They didn't have that, and I have that. Anyways, want to do something a little different, but classy, sexy, bohemian, vibe-ish, and I think I accomplished this. So again, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, give me a comment, tell me what's good, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.